guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I get my beach waves using straighteners. So things you will need, you obviously need a hair straightener. This one is the GHD original. Then you're going to need some heat protection spray, you need some hair oil like Moroccan oil or anything else really like hair serum. You're going to need a clip as well for when you part your hair, and you're going to need a hairbrush. So this is my natural hair right now. It's kind of wavy already, but we're going to create like nicer beach waves. Once your hair is brushed, then just pop some heat protection literally all over. And once that is done, then you just need to part your hair. So I'm going to do 3 sections. It's kind of hard to describe what beach waves actually kind of are. So to me, it's kind of like your hair is going in sort of one direction, but it's quite straight. Okay, that makes no sense whatsoever, but hopefully as you watch this tutorial, you'll understand what I mean. So you're going to grab one section of hair first, and I'm going to do it and talk while I'm doing it, because I feel like that's the best way to explain. So start from the top, and you're going to normally straighten your hair. So just straighten like normally, like this. And then you're going to want to twist your hair straighteners towards yourself like that. And then you just drag them all the way down that strand of hair. Okay, you're gonna have something like this. It's kind of like it's a very loose curl essentially, but I don't know if you can tell properly from the video, but you see like this kink here, this is kind of the kink that we want to keep, and the curl we are actually gonna sort of straighten out at the end of doing this layer. This is all gonna make a lot more sense as the video goes on, so okay, so you're gonna do the same thing. So again, start straightening it, and then once you get to about here, twist your straightener towards yourself just once, and then drag it down the rest of your hair. You see how we're getting a kink here? The kink is what we want, essentially. So it's kind of like, you see? Okay. And then keep going. Just going to grab the ends of your hair, and you're just going to straighten the ends. So don't start too high, but literally just like around here. This isn't going to be really messy beach waves. That is in my previous tutorial. This is a lot more neater and a lot more sort of defined, and a bit more straighter as well. Now same on this side, so you want to straighten the tops. But this time you want to put the straightener away from you, like so. So instead of bringing it towards you, you bring it away. So your kink is going out on this direction, because when you do your final layer, then it'll make sense at the end, I promise. Like right now, you probably just think, what is she doing? Also, what I'm doing is, because you've got like your first kink, which is great, you want that. But then the rest of it kind of is a bit like not much is going on, it's kind of straight. So what you can just do is just take your hair straightener again, this time starting like in the middle of your hair, and then just do the curl again. So just like take it round and then pull it through, so you end up getting essentially 2 kinks in your hair. So you're doing one outwards and then down, and then I'm going to just go from the middle again, outwards and then down. So it's like a twist. Oh, that's a better way to explain it. It's a twist. Okay. Right. And then carry on. I'm not really sure why my hair's dragging so much on the hair straighteners today, but hey ho. Okay, and again, just kind of ruffle it through, and you're going to straighten the ends again. So just grab it all together and you're just going to straighten like so. And then move on to the other layers, doing it exactly the same. It also helps once you've done your first sort of twist, then it helps to just put it around your finger like that, and then you can just go straight to doing the second twist and just twirl it around your finger like that. So with the final layer, just do your parting how you'd normally do it. And then just split your hair into 2 sections and bring to the front like so. And then just do the very final layer that you've got to do. I'm going to start from the back of this layer, just so it's easier when I come to styling my hair around my face. I like to have this piece right next to my face to just be going out kind of slightly like that. So when you do your twist on that piece of hair, just do it kind of slightly higher up. So just do it around like here. out a little bit. You can brush through it if you want, but I tend not to do that. You can leave it like this, or you can put some hair serum in, which is what I always do after I style my hair. I'm going to be using some Moroccan oil today, and I'm just gonna take a little bit, don't need much at all really, and just rub it into your hands, and it's just gonna go into my hair like that. So this is it basically done. I'm trying to quickly film before the sun comes out again and ruins my lighting. It's just basically really loose, messy waves, and it's really easy to do, and all you need is straightness. I just think it gives your hair a bit of shape and it's quite nice. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe as well if you want to see more videos like this. And until next time, see ya!